check this out. Take a look at this. Look how thick this glass is. This is fully bulletproof glass. This is an X5 and it's BMW's Protection Vehicle Series. Take a look at this. It can withstand AK-47 bullets. This is where the bullet has actually broken by hitting the glass. This is standard glass. Look. And then this one is actually bulletproof. I'm tapping things now, like a man. Now, this car can actually withstand the impact from a hand grenade on the floor and also drone attacks from above. It's over 3 tons, this car, about 900 kilos more than the standard X5. These cars are mostly sold to government officials, but 20% are sold for personal use. But they're not just going to sell you one, they have to personally vet you before you get one. Right, let's go check out a couple more cars. We are behind the scenes here at the IAA in Frankfurt. Now we have the BMW Concept 4. This is the future of the 4 Series. And just take a look at this color. It's called Forbidden Red. This is going to be a camera. For now, this is design here. There's no mirror. And inside here, you have a floating BMW logo. Next car. You won't believe this. Come this way. You can hardly even see it there in the dark. This is an X6 with special nanotechnology coating on it, so it almost disappears. Come around the back. See this coating here? It absorbs all the light, so there's absolutely no reflection. All right, let's move on. Car number 4. And here we have a limited edition i8 world premiere. It's called the Ultimate Sophisto Edition. Only 200 of these will be made. Here you see the copper features on the outside and this special Sophisto grey colour. Here you see limited to 200. This is the top of the line i8. Inside, you'll notice that this colour combination is reflected in the interior as well, with the grey and orange. Alright, couple of world premieres here, behind the scenes exclusive access at BMW. Thank you very, very much BMW, you guys rock. Let us know what you think of all 4 of the cars that you saw today in the comments section. Alright, love you guys, I'm out. Mwah.